Do you want to tell everybody where we are?
We are in Santa Ponca, Hotel Senses.
Right. And what's it like?
It's lovely.
So we've got in the room, balcony, which is quite big. Very big. Overlooking kind of the pool area. Up there. There's 3 blocks, so this is the first block, which has got the restaurant and everything in. That's the second block. Room's quite big. 2 king-size beds instead of 2 singles, so that was quite nice. Pillars, coffee, milk, sugar, kettle, P20 and sun cream. Everything's white, so we've got like white tables and chairs and furniture and stuff. White curtains, white walls, white bed linen, big screen TV. This is our last year. I've just discovered that the TV's only got Spanish TV channels on, but if I'd bothered to go down and ask at reception, they've got 11 English speaking channels I could have put on. A little bit annoying. Mirror, wardrobe, safe, phone, air conditioning, the AC's on constantly, which is a bonus. Bathroom, bathroom's lovely. It might be a bit of a mess because I've just come out, but the bathroom's really nice, just being done. Nice big shower, and it is immaculate. The maids do a hell of a job. Nice big sink, hairdryer. Which everyone uses that. So that's it. Mirror, signal, manoeuvre. That'll be it, I would say. From us in Santa Ponca for the 50th birthday. Thank you for the 50th birthday present. Last night, food packed up and head barbecue.